So luckily tayo yung nauna kanina, and it's about time na mag-video natin ito nangyayari dito sa convention center here in Baguio City. Ayan. Ongoing po yung pagbibigay ng pinikpikan dyan. Siyempre may food stop dyan kanina, just to be clear na naka-register ka. So mahaba yung pila. Pinikpikan serving station is there. Mga performers are here. Ito natin. Ano school nyo?
University of Baguio.
Oh, you taga UB. Shout out University of Baguio. Yeah. So hanggang doon yung pila pa sa dulo. Ito natin. Dami pa. So that's around more than 100 persons na nakapila at the moment.